Good morning, students. Yesterday, we already discussing about that is oogenesis process is completed. Today class, we are going to discussing about the important topic that is the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle, it is only takes place in the female. The menstrual cycle, it is only takes place in the female. The menstrual cycle are also known as reproductive cycle. The menstrual cycle are also known as a reproductive cycle. Today class we are going to discussing about menstrual cycle. What is the cycle? Menstrual cycle. Today class we are going to discussing about menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. What is the topic? Today's class we are going to discussing about menstrual cycle. Menstrual means month. Cyclic means some of the changes. Menstrual cycle are also known as a reproductive cycle. Reproductive cycle. The reproductive cycle, cyclic changes means the repeated changes takes place in the ovary and uterus. Each and every month of the female is known as a menstrual cycle. Menstrual means month. Menstrual means month. Menstrual means month. Menstrual means month. This cycle takes place. Some of the cyclic changes taking place in the inside the ovary and uterus of the each and every month of the female is known as a menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle. Each and every month. Each and every month. Each and every month. Some of the cyclical changes taking place inside the ovary and uterus. Inside the ovary and uterus. Inside the ovary and uterus is known as menstrual cycle. Some changes taking place in the ovary and uterus is known as a menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle are also known as a month cycle. The month cycle are also known as a reproductive cycle. This cycle takes place in the menstrual cycle. Takes place in mammals. The menstrual cycle takes place in mammals. The mammals are two categories. One is primates, the second category non-primates. What is the categories? Primates, non-primates. Primates, non-primates. The mammals are categorized into two types. Primates category, non-primates category. Primates. In primates, males and females. The menstrual cycle, females. In primates, one important cycle takes place in the ovaries and uterus is known as a menstrual cycle. In primates, female. Menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. In the non-primates, in the females, estrous cycle. Estrous cycle. What is the cycle? Estrous cycle. In the primates, what is example for the primates? Human beings. Example for the primates. Human beings. Monkeys, apes. Human beings, monkeys, apes. In human females, monkeys females, apes females. These all females only menstrual cycle takes place each and every month. Once the female, for example, the human female, that reaches into the puberty, this menstrual cycle is start. The menstrual cycle is The starting menstrual cycle is known as the starting menstrual cycle is known as the starting menstrual cycle. The first menstrual cycle stage is known as a menarche. Menarche. The starting menstrual cycle. The starting menstrual cycle. This cycle starts 10 to 12 years of the female. This cycle is start in the female 10 to 12 years female. The female reaches into the 10 to 10th year or 11th year or 12th year. The menstrual cycle start. This first starting menstrual cycle, the first month of menstrual cycle is known as a menarche. Men means month. Arch means beginning. Arch means beginning. The beginning of the menstrual cycle, it is known as a menarche. The ending of the menstrual cycle, the stop the menstrual cycle, it is the stop of the menstrual cycle. The end of the menstrual cycle. End of the menstrual cycle. The end of the menstrual cycle. The stop the month cycle. The stop the reproductive events of the female. It is known as a end of the menstrual cycle. End of the menstrual cycle is known as a menopause. Menopause. Meno means month. Phase means stop. The month cycle is stop in the females. The month cycle is stop in the females 45 to 50 years. The reproductive events are completely stopped. 45 to 50 years is known as a menopause. This some of the cyclical changes takes place inside the ovary and uterus of the each and every month. Once the female reaches into the adolescence age, reaches into the puberty condition, the menstrual cycle is start. The menstrual cycle is start. This starting of the menstrual cycle is known as a 10 to 12 years. The starting phase is known as a menarche. The end of the menstrual cycle is known as a menopause. It is completed in 45 to 50 years. Okay. The duration of the menstrual cycle. The duration of the menstrual cycle. The duration, the time period of the menstrual cycle each and every month. What is the time period required for the menstrual cycle? The duration of the menstrual cycle. The duration of the menstrual cycle 28 to 30 days. 28 to 30 days. The menstrual cycle first day to 28 days or 29 days or 30 days. How many days it require? 28 days or 29 days or 30 days it require. The menstrual cycle, what is the life, what is the average time period of this changes of the each and every month of the female reaches into the adolescence. It is nothing but menses. Okay, menarche conditions. Menses, each and every month one egg is produced. One egg is produced at the time of the produce, that is a mature condition. Mature, it is the condition of the menstrual cycles. Menstrual cycles. Okay, what are the events are taking place? What are the changes are taking place in the menstrual cycles? I don't know. Duration of the menstrual cycle 28 to 30 days. Duration of the menstrual cycle 28 to 30 days. Okay, coming to the next one. Some of the changes taking place in the female. What is the first menarche? The starting menstrual cycle is known as a menarche. The starting menstrual cycle, the first menarche. The starting menarche condition. First reproductive event, menarche. 12 years. End of the menstrual cycle, menopause. That is the 45 years. The reproductive capacity, reproductive lifespan, the reproductive events taking with the females, reproductive events 45 to 12, total 33 years. In females, the reproductive events are taking place in the only 33 years. After the 45 years, the female, they are not produce any egg cell. They are not produce any egg cell. No pregnancy. No egg cell means no pregnancy. Okay. This in 33 years. 33 years. How many follicles participate? The maximum, the female, to produce how many babies? The entire lifespan of the 33 years. Follicular cells. Follicular cells. What is the number of the follicular cells? How many years reproductive? 33. This reproductive event starting from the 12 years. The reproductive events takes from the female 33 years. The starting is 12. 12 means 396. Each and every month the female produce one egg cell. The maximum the female produce how many babies? 396 babies. But it is impossible. That's why each and every month the female produce one egg cell. This one egg cell is combined to the sperm cell to produce their formation of the zygote, again converted into the embryo formation of the baby. Okay, how many babies are produced per entire 33 years of this reproductive events? 396 babies, it is a maximum. But each and every female produce 1 or 2 babies. It is a general case. Other 396 babies means it is a horrible conditions. It is horrible conditions. Coming to the next one. What are the events takes place in the menstrual cycle? What are the events takes place in the menstrual cycle? What are the events takes place in the menstrual cycle? What are the events takes place in the menstrual cycle? The menstrual cycle takes place in the some of the changes, some of the cyclical changes take the repetitive changes each and every month. Repetitive cycle changes takes place in the inside the ovaries as well as uterus. These changes are taken once the female reaches into the adolescence age. The menstrual cycle means some of the change takes place in the 28 to 30 days. Again, second cycle is started. The next cycle is started. With each and every month, the female produces one egg cell. Coming to the conditions. What are the events that taking place? Okay. What are the events? What is the duration of the menstrual cycle? 28 days or 30 days or 29 days. Okay. 28 days or 30 days or 39 days. Coming to the events takes place in the menstrual cycle. See here. Okay. What is the duration of the menstrual cycle? What is the duration? 28 days. 28 days. It is indicate 28 days. It is indicate 28 days. See here. First day, third day, fifth day, seventh one, 9th, 11th, 13th, 15th, 17th, 19th, 21, 23, 25, 27, 28 or 29. The next cycle is started. The duration of the menstrual cycle 28 days. 28 days. This events takes place in the uterus. See here, uterus. The menstrual cycle each and every month, it is consists of 4 phases. The menstrual cycle consists of 4 phases. First phase, bleeding phase. Second phase, follicular phase. Third phase, ovulation phase. Fourth phase, luteal phase, or also known as the secretory phase. Luteal phase also known as the secretory phases. First one, the first day to fifth day. First day to fifth day. This phase is known as a bleeding phase, or also known as a menstrual phase. What is the phase? Menstrual phase. First day to fifth day. First day to fifth day. This 5 days bleeding phase. First day to fifth day. This phase is indicate. First fifth day indicate bleeding phase. Bleeding phase. The menstrual cycle, it consists of how many phases? 4 phases. Okay, 6th day to 13th day. 6th day to 13th day. This phase is known as follicular phase. Follicular phase. Follicular phase. 14th day, this indicate 14th day, ovulatory phase. Ovulation, ovulatory phase. Ovulatory phase. Ovulatory phase. Only 14. 15 to 28 day. This phase is indicate luteal phase. Luteal phase are also known as secretory phase. Secretory phase. Secretory phase. The menstrual cycle, it is divided into 4 phases. Bleeding phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase, luteal phase are also known as a secretory phase. Are also known as a secretory phase. The bleeding phase, the time period, that means the period between the bleeding phase are also known as a 1 to 5 days. In our textbook, they indicate 3 to 5 days. Okay, 1 to 5 days. The bleeding phase, 1 to 5 days. The bleeding phase, 1 to 5 days. 1 to 5 days. Follicular phase, 6 to 13 days. 6 to 13 days. Ovulatory phase, 14th day. 14th day. Luteal phase, 15 to 28 or 29 days. 28 to 29 days. These phases takes place each and every month of the female reaches into the adolescence. This phases is controlled by some events takes place, some changes takes place inside the ovary and uterus of the female. Some of the hormones also to regulate these changes. Some of the hormones also to regulate these changes. Menstrual cycle, each and every month the female produce one egg cell. Coming to the first change, uterus change. What is it now? Uterus change. Uterus change. Some of the events are is indicate some of the events that takes place in it is indicate uterus. Next cycle is started. It is indicated uterus. Uterus changes. Each and every month uterus changes. It is bleeding. Bleeding. Some amount of blood bleeding into the first day to fifth day. It is depending on thickness of the endometrium. Coming to the next step. After the ovarian changes, what are the hormones to regulate this one? Next one. Ovarian changes. Ovarian changes. Ovarian changes. See here, the first one, bleeding phase, 1 to 5 days. 1 to 5 days, bleeding phase. 5 to 13th day or 14th day is indicate follicular phase. Is indicate 14th day, ovulatory period. The next one, it is indicate luteal phase or secretory phase, follicular phase or proliferative phase. What is the other name? Proliferative phase. Proliferative phase. First one, ovarian changes. Ovarian changes means the ovarian consists of ovarian follicles. Ovarian follicles. The ovarian follicles again modified into the primary follicles. So the bleeding is completed. After the bleeding is completed, the follicle changes happen. The follicle changes. Primary follicles to the secondary follicles. Primary follicles to secondary follicles. Primary follicle. Primary follicle to the secondary follicle. Secondary follicle. Secondary follicles to the tertiary follicles. Tertiary follicles. Tertiary follicles are converted into the Graafian follicles. Graafian follicles. Graafian follicles. The Graafian follicle consists of secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. The Graafian follicles. Graafian follicles. The Graafian follicles are ruptured. The rupturing of the Graafian follicle. Rupturing of the Graafian follicle. Rupturing of the Graafian follicle to produce. Rupturing of the Graafian follicle to produce. Rupturing of the Graafian follicle to produce egg cell. Rupturing of the Graafian follicle. Rupture. Rupturing of the Graafian follicle to produce ovulation. The 14th day, the ovulation takes place. The rupturing the Graafian follicle produce egg cell. These Graafian follicles modified into the Graafian follicles are modified into the yellow body. The Graafian follicles are modified into the yellow body. The Graafian follicles are modified into the yellow body. Carpus luteum. Carpus luteum. It is the yellow body. Yellow body. The carpus luteum again modified into the carpus albicans. Carpus albicans. White body. White body. The white body again regenerate. This events takes place in the ovary of the female. Ovary of the female. These changes takes place with the help of responsible for the regulation by the regulated by the control by the hormones. What are the hormones to respond? 4 important hormones. See, what are the hormones to responsible? The first important hormone. What is the hormone? Estrogen. Ovarian. Ovarian hormones. Ovarian hormones. See here, what are the hormones? First one, estrogen. What is the hormone? Estrogen. The estrogen, there's less amount of, once the female baby reaches into the in the puberty condition, the small amount of estrogen. Which one is higher? Estrogen. Here indicate after the estrogen, the second hormone, that is a progesterone. What is the hormone? Progesterone. Progesterone. See, this hormone increases 11th day onwards. This hormone increases this hormone levels increases. This hormones levels increases 11th day, 12th day, 13th day, 14th day. 14th day, again these hormone levels decreases. Progesterone levels almost up to the 14th day. After then they will increase. The progesterone levels increases after the 14th day. Again, this hormone levels increases. This indicate estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen and progesterone. This indicate again. So indicate again estrogen. The next cycle is started. Bleeding stage. Next cycle. This indicate progesterone. Progesterone. Next cycle is started. Okay. These are the endometrium blood vessels. Endometrium, it is filled with blood vessels. Endometrium. This indicate endometrium. Endometrium. The starting estrogen is more. Next one, progesterone. Estrogen increases 11th day, 12th day, 13th day. Again, the progesterone levels increases. The estrogen is produced by the Graafian follicles produce estrogen. Graafian follicles produce estrogen. Graafian, whenever the mature Graafian follicles number is more, that size is increases, the rupture, this Graafian follicles produce estrogen. That's why increase is here. Estrogen levels increases because of Graafian follicles are produced. But here produce progesterone. This progesterone is produced by the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum produce progesterone. Corpus luteum produce progesterone hormones. See here, corpus luteum produce progesterone hormones. Next, other two important hormones responsible for these regulations. See here, these hormones. Okay, next one, the anterior pituitary. Once the female baby reaches into the adolescence age, the anterior means hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is produce gonadotropin releasing hormone. This gonadotropin releasing hormone is activation of the anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary hormones. So all events that takes place in the female each and every month. Anterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary means the hypothalamus produce two important hormones. What is the two important hormones? Gonadotropin hormones. It is activation of the anterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary produced to the FSH and LH. FSH and LH. FSH and LH. See here. First one, FSH is more. FSH and LH. What is the hormones? FSH is more, LH is less. The starting menstrual cycle, FSH is more, LH is less. This FSH is responsible for the FSH is responsible for the activation of the primary follicle converted into secondary, secondary converted into the tertiary, tertiary converted into the Graafian, tertiary converted into the Graafian follicles, the Graafian follicles, the development of the follicle. This follicle is responsible for the FSH, FSH, this FSH. Okay, next one, LH. After the LH, okay, LH also, the starting is more, but the LH, the LH, it is increases. LH is peak at the time of the year. Please indicate again last ending of this space. FSH is indicate LH. Is indicate LH. This both levels. FSH and LH. Is indicate LH. Is indicate FSH. LH is responsible for the rupturing of the Graafian follicles. Whenever the LH concentration is more, it is responsible for the ovulation process. Which hormone is responsible for ovulation process? LH hormones. FSH, LH is more at the time of the 14th day, at the mid-cycle of the 14th day. Okay, but the LH is more peak. Whenever the mid-cycle is more, it is the 14th day means ovulation. Whenever this 14th day, ovulation phase. This ovulation phase means LH is more. Whenever the LH is more, rupturing of the Graafian follicle, they will produce egg cell. They will produce the egg cell. This all changes. The starting menstrual cycle FSH is more, LH is less. The starting menstrual cycle estrogen is more, its production is less. The 14th day, see here, estrogen is more. Estrogen is more means LH is more here. Okay. Next one, progesterone. Progesterone is less here. After the ovulation, the progesterone is more. Before the ovulation, progesterone is less, but estrogen is more. The estrogen is produced by the Graafian follicle rupture. They produce estrogen. It indicates estrogen. It is indicated progesterone. The progesterone is produced by the corpus luteum is produced by the progesterone. The menstrual cycle. What is the duration? First day to 28-29 days. First day to 29, 20. What is the phases? Bleeding phases, follicular phases, ovulatory phases, luteal phases. This changes. How many hormones? 4 hormones. This progesterone, okay, estrogen, progesterone, FSH, LH. These hormones are helpful for the each and every month the female body inside the ovary and uterus is the 4 hormones to responsible for the sizes are increase of the Graafian follicles, and also some of the changes are taking place in the uterus of the endometrium whenever here 2 cases. For example, the female produce each and every month egg cell. Whenever the female produce egg cell, the egg cell is fused into the sperm cell. The fertilization takes place, the zygote is formed, embryo is formed, pregnancy is formed. For example, the egg not fused to the sperm cell, no pregnancy. Whenever there is no fertilization, the egg is attached to the endometrium. The endometrium is ruptured. That is, uterus is ruptured. Whenever the endometrium is ruptured, some amount of blood coming to the through the vessel. This endometrium is filled with number of blood vessels. The number of blood vessels are ruptured each and every month of the female body whenever no fusion of the egg and sperm cell. No fusion means this only egg cell attached to the endometrium. The endometrium is filled with number of blood vessels, some amount of blood coming through the vagina. Okay, no fertilization. For example, lack of pregnancy. Lack of pregnancy, that is the other cases. Okay, for example, the menstrual cycle is absent. The menstrual cycle is not takes place. It is indicate, okay, lack of menstrual cycle, it is indicate pregnancy. However, you are not indicate always the menstrual cycle is absent means the menstrual cycle is not takes place each and every month means it is indication of pregnancy. but sometimes it is maybe some reasons, stress conditions and food and mental pressure, these all conditions also, the menstrual cycle maybe takes place, okay, does not take place 20 days, this may be extended to the 30 days, 35 days, 45 days or 60 days, 1 year or 6 months also, the menstrual cycle is, it is extended. Some reasons it is also takes place, okay, each and every month the female, okay, the mid of the cycle is takes place, mid cycle is takes place. These all events are taking place in the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle, how many phases? These are the 4 phases. What is the phase? Bleeding phase, follicular phase, ovulatory phase, luteal phase. Bleeding phase means bleeding phase. It takes place in the 1 to 5 days or 3 to 5 days each and every month. Some amount of blood coming to through the vagina. For example, no fertilization. No fertilization. The egg is not fusing to the sperm cell. The time only the menstrual cycle takes place. The egg is attached to the endometrium. At rupturing of the endometrium, the menstruation takes place. For example, the egg is fused into the sperm cell. The fertilization takes place. The pregnancy is formed. The pregnancy is formed. Okay, it is indicated to each and every month some of the changes that takes place in the inside the ovary end, uterus. Some of the changes. These changes are responsible for the FSH and LH, estrogen, progesterone hormone. The starting time, estrogen is more. Next one, progesterone. Next, estrogen is more here. Next one, progesterone is more here. The corpuscle produces progesterone. Graphene follicle rupture, they produce, follicles produce estrogen. FSH starting menstrual cycle, which one is more? FSH is more, but the LH is less. Here, the FSLH is the peak, 14th day, the mid of the 14th day, LH is more, FSH is less. FSH is less. Again, LH is indicate, again FSH is more, and LH is again indicate here, progesterone is more, but estrogen is again indicate less. Again, they indicate, see here, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen and progesterone. This all events that takes place in the inside the female of the ovary and uterus. Ovary and uterus. The menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle means 2 cases. Case 1. Case 2. Case 1. Case 2. What is case 1? Case 2. Case 1 means the egg fused to the sperm cell. Each and every month, the female produce 14th day egg cell. Egg is produced at the ovulation period. It is converted into fused sperm cell, zygote, embryo, pregnancy. Pregnancy. For example, egg cell not fuse into the sperm cell. The egg is not fused into the sperm cell. It is waiting for the 2-3 days. The egg is waiting for the 2-3 days in the fallopian tube. The egg is waiting for the fallopian tube. The sperm is not fused, means the egg is attached to the endometrium. The egg is attached to the endometrium. See here, this indicate ovary, this indicate ovary. Each and every month the female produce one egg cell. Here egg is entered. Egg is entered. Okay. Here the egg, it is fusion of the gametes, fertilization takes place. For again the egg is, the sperm cell not reaches into the egg cell. The egg is waiting for the fallopian tube, no fertilization. For example, the sperms, they are waiting for 3 days. This egg cell attached to the endometrium. This egg cell attached to the endometrium. The egg is attached to the endometrium. Rupturing of this endometrium. Rupturing of the endometrium. The egg is attached to the endometrium. The rupturing of the endometrium. The rupturing of the endometrium. Some amount of blood enter into the vagina. Some amount of blood comes to the vagina. This phase is known as the bleeding phase. The bleeding phase, it is continuous to the 1 to 5 days. Continuous to the 1 to 5 days. It is the first phase. After the bleeding phase is completed, again these endometriums are again proliferate, again reform and regenerate. After the completed second phase, next one, ovulatory phase. Again, the second month, next month, the ovary produce one egg cell. Again, the secretory phase or luteal phase. Progesterone increases, estrogen increases. It is important cases. The ovulatory phase takes place in the middle of the 14th day. The ovulatory phase is 14th day. For example, menstrual cycle duration 28 days. 28 days. Ovulatory period or ovulation period 14th day. 14th day. Menstrual cycle 28 days. Ovulatory period 14th day. See here. 28 day, first day to 14th day. 14th day is the graphene follicles are ruptured, they produce egg cell. Once the egg is fused means the pregnancy is formed. Once the egg is not fused means the menstrual cycle takes place. Sometimes the lack of menstrual cycle, it is indicate pregnancy. However, it is not always indicate pregnancy. Some other reasons, also some unknown reasons, means food, okay, and also stress condition and the dust particles and pollen grains and pressure, more pressure, work tensions. It is also the menstrual cycle may be extend into the 35 days, 45 days. For example, the menstrual cycle is 45 days. What is the name? Menstrual cycle 45 days. What is the ovulatory period? Ovulatory period or ovulation time. Ovulatory period means always 14th day. 45 minus 14th day. 14th day, 45 minus 14th day, 31 day. The menstrual cycle. For example, menstrual cycle is first day to 45 days. Menstrual cycle, first day to 45 days. What is the ovulatory period? 31 day. You can indicate the duration of the menstrual cycle minus 14th day means ovulatory period time. You can calculate it. For example, menstrual cycle is 60. What is the ovulatory period time? 60 minus 14. It is indicate ovulatory time. Menstrual cycle 28 days means minus 14. For example, 45 days. Ovulatory period is 31 day. You can indicate. It is indicate menstrual cycles each and every month. This menstrual cycle, the starting menstrual cycle, this cycle is continuous to the, that is the first phase of menstrual cycle is menarche. The end of this phase is known as a menopause. This cycle is stop. It is the 45th day. This phase is known as a menopause. The progesterone, it is helpful for to maintain the endometrium and to maintain the pregnancy, and also graphene follicles produce estrogen hormone. Thank you very much.